Right, so here at the B.E. Road Park Railroad Corporation and Dining Car Franchise, we do model railroading a little bit differently here. Like this 10,000 pound hopper car full of water that we turned into a swimming pool. Oh, I'll tell you what. Man, I tell you, it feels good here. I'll tell you what, this is my chair I found that could fit there. Oh, I ain't that bad. I'll tell you what, when I was in Boy Scouts, I had this lifeguard instructor that said, if you're going to complain about the temperature of the water in the pool, get out of my class immediately because you don't belong here. He said, drowning ain't going to wait for you to get used to the temperature of the water. Man, this is a thing. I'll tell you what, I can sit there all day. I'll tell you what, too bad you couldn't do this in real life on the drop site at the railroad. Oh my god. I mean, you could throw... That's just water leaking out the edge of the phone. It's just like overlapping there. We float too full. I'll tell you what. Too bad you couldn't practice on the railroad drop site. I'll tell you, when you're done with the day, end of the day, you can have some beers and just dive right in here. My goodness. I'll tell you what, this is nuts. That's like slapping a fat person in the ass. Jeez, that fool. Freaking rock cement. My god, this stinks heavy. Oh. I'm just gonna stay in there for a while. Okay, let me get your head wet. That's not sitting down the job. Oh my god. There's just some sharp screws sticking in here. Oh, I tell you what, man, you can swim. Oh, this is nice. You can kick. Tell you what, put your feet up there. I don't know if you can do it. Nah. Can't really do your American crawl in here. Can you do backstroke? Oh man, that's so good. Man, I can't do backstroke on here. I tell you what, oh, you can kick. Look at that. Oh, that's sweet. And even go scuba diving in here. Oh, actually, this is kind of cold. But this feels damn good on a hot day. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, that's cool. That is a refreshing bit there. Tell you what, like I said, too bad you can't purchase on the job site. My god, that'd be good. Remember the Geico commercial with Marco Polo and he's sitting in the pool with all his freaking clothes on? Man, how in the hell would you stand in the pool with clothes on like that? You know how heavy that would be? And uncomfortable? I mean, that makes me cringe watching that commercial. Oh, I'll tell you what. Man, this is great. I think this is going to stay out here the rest of the summer. My god, it's so good to be in here. Oh, I need some more. Oh, I went in Dover. It's great. What do you think? Oh. Yeah, we're a bunch of geniuses here. Not that be a word for it. Man, who the heck does this shit? Anybody freaking does. Yeah, like this guy here would do it. Wow, that's kind of like scary. I might have a breach here in a second. That's 7 at the back spawn now. Let's wait at 7 at the back. Oh man, that is freaking nice there. Hi, Dover. What do you think? You can come in here too if you want. This might stay out here for a while. I had to put some pool chemicals in it to keep it fresh. I tell you, it did not take long for this to heat up. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's definitely good. Yeah, you step back. Tell you what, come on. It's great. That's a thing there, jeez. You lost about 2.5 inches of water out there, though. Tell you what, that's one way to water the grass there, jeez.